Lorenzo Virgo, 876 Street.
Alright.
Here driving a Toyota Market 2010.
Alright, Lorenzo. So how does it feel to make it to the finals of the 14, right?
Yeah.
Yes. How do you feel?
Well, it's a great feeling because I came here before. I got dropped out early because I red light and I go back and do my homework and I came back out and here I'm in the finals.
Alright then, Lorenzo. Well, all the best. Hope you take it home, yeah man. Big up.
Yes, everything.
Respect. So we are here with Matthew. Matthew, how does it feel to be going to the finals, 14-second finals?
It's a good feeling. All the years I compete, you always wish.
So from 16,
but no,
15, 14, all the way
Yeah.
all finals. Last call.
Yeah, in a good condition.
Last call for all the finalists. Don't get scared. You have worked.
Okay. Any shout out anybody want to big up?
You've been here from morning.
Big up the sponsors.
And you fight the last man standing. So don't get
big up Weedy.
don't get cold foot right now because you reach down to
everybody. Big up everybody, you understand?
Alright bro, all the best. All the best, see you? Cool.
Everybody head here.
Who's gonna cross the beam first? But the tree will tell us somebody's breaking up. Looks like Virgo. Left lane.
14-second class. Runner-up. Great performance for the weekend. 14.295. Losing to Lorenzo Virgo with a 14.23. The margin of victory for this racing I think was 0.03, very, 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 very close. And Lorenzo was able to hold off Matthew on that pass, causing Matthew to be our second place runner-up in the Super Street 14-second class. Put your hands together for Matthew Clarke. Matthew, big ship, Clarke. And Mr. Virgo came with the leather belt from Montego Bay. Came with the leather belt and put it to work. Congratulations, Mr. Virgo. How much Virgo race at Vernamfield? Or race overall? How much I don't know? One time I see one grudge match I run and all, I could have tell it all. Father and son, left, right, I don't know. So much of them. Virgo everywhere. Virgo. About 6 car. But congratulations to the Virgos.